Hey everyone, I have an amazing KDP business for you today with a lot of growth potential. My name is Shlomo Freund and I help you find your next digital asset. Please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. It will help others find the business, find their next business. Basically, we're building a community here and you are part of it. So join in, hit like and subscribe. Let me share my screen and we'll start right away with the assessment. Let's go for this one. Amazon KDP, a 5-year-old business in the publishing industry. The business sells physical books and has generated more than $346,000 in royalties in the past 12 months. Nice. Asking price $1.25 million. This is a classified ad on Flippa, meaning that there is no bidding. In this case, only if you offer them the price, you get the business. Of course, there's always room for negotiation. This is a sponsored list, meaning they are interested in selling it because they're spending money on it and they have enough margin with this amount, I'm sure. It's an education business. It's books, site age 4 years, making $26,000 a month, profit margin 90%, multiplier. So Flippa is using a yearly multiplier, not a monthly multiplier like other platforms. So this is equal to 48x on revenue. I can show you this. Not on revenue, 48 months in other platforms. So 1,250,000 divided by 26,081. Yeah, you get around 47.92. So that's the profit multiple. The revenue is 3.6 because the profit margin is 90%. So 10% or whatever is the cost of this 4x is 0.4. What's left is 3.6. You see it here. Okay, let's look at the trend here. Performance. It sells around, okay, end of winter, spring is low season. And then it's up here, 37,000 in the summer, August. What happens in September and October? Ask the seller. Ask Marco. Marco is from Italy. He has his email address, verified phone number, government ID, all that. He has no reviews here on Flippa. Okay, but this is a good start to verify that the seller and hopefully what you're buying, you're actually buying. Let's look at the rest of what he's saying and see if this is a good business to buy. 48 in this case is rather high, to be honest. So you probably want to negotiate it down. The account includes 58 books, but those who make the entire revenue are only 5 or 6. The books are a particular niche, which is a super profitable one and has really low competition and generates profit the whole year. Every book includes a registered copyright certificate and a unique cover. The most profitable books are published under a unique pen name, which gives more stability to the books. Okay, here's something interesting you can do. So if the most profitable ones are published under a unique name, maybe you need to remove the ones that are not making enough money and are not under that name and make it under that name, just republish them. So this is something you can do there in the growth. I will give access to the personal writer, my personal writer and cover designer. And this is the revenues from January 2022 to December 2022. What happened in 2023? That's something you need to ask. $142,000. Okay, customers. 65% United States, Italy, France, Spain, Germany, okay, and the rest of the world. 80 to 90% are sales are organic. It's 90% passive. Oh, here are the sales, net profit, this revenue, okay. And then first 8 months of 2023, $196,000 net profit. Okay, operation, publishing after keyword research books on profitable topics. The process is very simple. Keyword research, have your book written by a ghostwriter, get your cover by a graphic designer, publish and launch the book. The last step is running Amazon ADS, optional. Okay. It's Amazon Kindle. I assume this is the print of demand of Amazon ADS. Let's double check this. That's interesting. Amazon ADS. Oh, it's just Amazon ads. You should do this DS should not be capitalized. The fact that the last step is running Amazon ad, this means that there are expenses here. So you need to look at that. I think I downloaded the. Let's see if I can get the P&L here. Oh yeah, I have it. Let me open it. Okay, while it still opens, let's keep going through the listing. Here, I sell paperback books to make money. The business is very stable and has revenue since I have not been publishing for 10 months. I used to work a couple of hours a day on the business as I had a 9-to-5 job since June 2022. I started working full-time in revenue. I'm currently working 5 hours per week, fix ads, and check my books. Okay. Customers from all over the world, sales from all these countries you see here. Financial skyrocketed in the last 12 months. 100% net profit growth 2020-2021, and then 340%. Wow, nice. Growth opportunities, huge opportunity for expansion in the European markets, especially in the Italian, French, and German ones. So no, just very little, I assume, from those. Reasons for selling, there's a new business venture I'd like to go into. I'd like to use the funds from this. Okay, makes sense. Here's the revenue and profit. So you see already the difference between the profit and the revenue. This is probably the ads. Maybe we'll see this on the P&L in a minute. He's spending $3,000 to $4,000 a month on ads. I wonder what will happen if there will be no ads. He said that they're organic. So I wonder something you need to ask the seller is how much of the website sales coming from ads and how much are coming from organic. Very, very important to know that, because if you stop spending on ads, what's going to happen? Of course, sales will drop. Annual revenue, 346,000, profit 312, profit margin 90%. Yeah, we spoke about that. Okay, monthly profit 26,000. Oh, there you go. Primary expenses, Amazon ads, $2,000 a month. LTD fee. That's probably for running the company. It's rather expensive. Print on demand. Okay, so he's doing a print on demand. What's the share of the ebooks versus the print on demand? Very interesting. Okay, you need to know that. Product and services used. I don't know what's Helium 10. Let's look what's Helium 10. Never heard of that one. Amazon seller software. Okay. What's with the ability to make data-driven decisions? Okay, seems like this makes more money spending on $230 for sure. Assets, domain, brand assets, platform Amazon included post-sale support. What's the support that you get? Okay, is this 30-day support just email? Are these calls? Is this maybe coaching? Do you get maybe 2 months? Nothing is said here. Very important to check that. Okay, and then he's showing Amazon KDP analytics for December and revenue, and then a JPEG here, probably another KDP results. What I'm very interested to see is the P&L, which is here. Okay, he also listed this on Empire Flippers, this business. Okay, fair enough. Where are the tabs? Oh, there. Summary. Let's see. KDP sales. If you don't know, Amazon KDP is not Amazon KDP. Empire Flippers is a broker. Okay, a broker for digital assets, a rather big one. The minimum there would be $70,000, $80,000 for deals. This is a common size of deal that you see there. Actually, the most that you see are around $100 to $1 million of deals. Okay, this is all empty. Let's see what do we have here. KDP sales, Ingram Spark. Ingram Spark are the print on demand. Okay, this increase is print on demand. Let's freeze header column. No, that's not what I want. I want to freeze. No freeze here. Okay. Okay, we'll just have to keep going back and forth. So let's look at the last numbers and not everything. Okay, this is as ACX. So this is the most okay. Ebook plus paperback. Okay, it's not saying what's the ebook, how much are the ebooks and how much are the paperback. Okay, these are the expenses you see here. for the ads, contractors, Amazon marketing service. That's the one. No. So what is he spending on so much? Here. That's the marketing. Yes. Yeah, that's the ads. He's spending a lot on ads. Yeah, marketing service. Okay. But you can also see that sales have gone really well. See 4,000. See on a month that he's not spending almost anything on ads, he's making 16,000. On a month that he is spending almost 4,000. Okay, here's 37,000. See, it's more than double. This is 40% more. Not amazing. Okay, it's quite fluctuating, but definitely he is showing that you need to spend more in order to make more. Makes sense. I see a very big opportunity here for growth, which he did not mention. And this one is bringing people from Amazon KDP, from the people who buy your books, to a mailing list, so you can keep marketing the upcoming books for them, and make bundles and things like that. The interesting thing is that it didn't mention, but it goes without saying, put QR codes in the books. At the end of a book, tell them what the next book is, and again, put a QR code. Add them, and then tell them you add to a mailing list, and you get a coupon code to join, to buy a discount to buy your next book. So all these can increase the revenue and make you less reliant on ads, though I see they do help here. But basically grow the business regardless of the ads. Okay, do we have anything else here? Oh, comments. Let's see what the comments are. Can you please share the screenshots of your Amazon ads? Okay. What's your main books or author? Hi, Mubin, I'm selling the account. That's Marco, that's him. He's selling the account, okay. Are you selling the books or the actual KDP account? He's selling the account, that's what he said, okay. I started working completely and changed my publishing method. You went from barely scraping by from March to July to 35K a month. So he said, I just started working full time, okay. Legal service costs are the LTD maintenance fee. The professional services costs are book writing services, translation services. Can you explain what is going legal? Okay, that's the explanation for this one. Very, very interesting business. I don't know if it's still in the market. Okay, how long is it still here? Probably more than 6 months, because you see comments from. So yeah, 11 months. Is it still available? I don't know. When is the last comment? August. But he has not replied since August. Was it sold? I don't know. This is something, of course, you need to check with him. But basically, a very interesting business to look at. Okay, so this is what I have for you for today for the monthly website acquisition forum. I hope I helped you find out more of how to find your next digital asset, what to look at when you are assessing a deal, and what are the trends in the market. If you have the money, it's a buyer's market. Remember that. You should make an effort maybe to buy something now that, of course, fits your maybe other businesses or your interest, or something which you have an edge on, because just buying a regular content website is pretty risky, in my opinion, nowadays. I hope that helps you understand how to assess a KDP business. This is a good business. Yes, it's over $1 million, but I still think it's overvaluated, and you can negotiate the price down. There's a lot of potential there with creating an email list and all that. I hope this is helpful for you. See you next time. Likes and subscribe. Cheers.